Hello, so we're back, and this time we have a nice laptop to repair. This is a Lenovo IdeaPad 5, Ryzen 5 and Radeon graphics. The problem with this one, pressing the power button, and the laptop it is coming on, but on the same time you have the num lock, you have the escape light and the caps lock light. Of course it's not working. Let's check the customer email. So what the customer is saying, the customer is a computer business. It's not displaying picture. Num lock, caps lock, and escape key are lit. I believe this is a corrupted BIOS. I believe as well this is a corrupted BIOS. A gentleman called David. Let's try to help David with this laptop. Indeed, this looks like a corrupted BIOS. We had different models before with the same behavior, like you have all three lights on. And I fixed it by writing another BIOS. But it's not necessary to be a BIOS, it can be something else. We have no screws on the laptop. And the laptop is open. Yeah, and we have the nice BIOS chip there. First, let's check the motherboard to be sure this is a BIOS issue. Let's unplug the battery. So the battery is unplugged. Let's check the coils. So this coil is good. This one is good. This one is good. This one, of course, is good. And this one is fine. Then this one, like 12 ohms. And the CPU, main V core, is like 8 ohms. It's looking fine. I mean, yeah, indeed looks like a BIOS issue. Let's unplug the BIOS battery. And let's test it one more time. Plug in the main battery back without the BIOS battery. And the laptop it is coming on. Yeah, it's doing exactly the same thing. Escape, caps lock, and num lock light. Okay, let me grab the programmer. Let's try a trick here. Corrupted information inside of the BIOS doesn't necessary to be actually useful information. Can be like an empty field. Then reading and writing the BIOS back, we can have this laptop working again. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna read the BIOS, then write exactly the same BIOS back. So the clamp is on the BIOS. Let's start the program, revelprog. Then identifying the BIOS, 1.8 volts. I'm assuming it's 1.8. It is. Now let's read the BIOS. Let's wait. Finishing reading. And what is this? Okay, this is kind of weird. This is useful data. This is nothing. This is nothing. Okay, it is weird. But anyway, let's write the BIOS back. So writing exactly the same BIOS back. Finishing programming. Then verifying, and we got the error. And that's okay, that's fine. I'm happy with that. Let's test it. Let's see if it's working. The programmer is out, plug in the battery, pressing the power button, and the laptop it is coming on. We don't have the lights. The lights are off. Not sure if this is a good sign or not. Okay, this is bad. We don't have V-core. Yeah, when there's something wrong with the BIOS, the first sign is no V-core. So the heatsink is not even warm, nothing. But the laptop is still on, so we messed up something. Now looking for a BIOS. Okay, I think we found a BIOS. Let's get this one. Save. Let's bring our programmer. And the chip is detected. Let's open the bin file, which is this one. And let's write the BIOS. Let's wait. Hopefully it will work. Programming. Finishing programming. And verifying, and we got an error. But I'm okay with that. Let's test it. Plug in the battery. Power on, and the laptop it is coming on. We have the lights. This light went off. Flashing. The light, all lights went off. We have picture. That's crazy, huh? Boot device. We don't have a boot device? No, the M2 drive is not present. It's working. Can't believe. Can't believe. Let's plug M2 drive. I have my drive for testing here. Yeah, this one. The drive is plugged in. Pressing the power button. And the laptop is coming on. And it's loading the Windows. What do you think about that, huh? Yeah, you see there are specific faults, like this one with the lights on the keyboard being on, where most likely it is a BIOS. So if you check the coils are fine, no coil is shorted, then you should try a BIOS. Best place to find a BIOS, our Discord, is the only one free. So we have Vinafix, we have Badcaps, now they are paid websites. But our Discord is free, and it will stay free. And the Windows, it's up and running. Yeah, everything fine. Now let me shut down the laptop. The laptop is going off. We can still see activity on the SSD. And the light is off, and we can unplug the M2 drive. People asked before, sorry, it's not dangerous to play with the S2 drive, with the M2 drive like that. It is if the laptop is not off. Because if you just close the lid, the laptop is not off. You have a different state. So the laptop has to be off. When it's off, you have no voltage on the SSD. Let me plug the BIOS battery back. Now let's speak a little bit about BIOS files. Can you write any BIOS files? Yeah, you can. Yeah. What about the serial numbers? What about the Windows key? Now, Windows key is not my problem. There was a corrupted BIOS, so the customer lost the Windows key. So of course, I will advise the customer, buy another Windows key, but it's not my responsibility. Can I extract the key from the old BIOS? Yeah, but the operation, the time I need for that, probably it will be more expensive compared with a new key. Then the key is not stored anymore on the BIOS. So on the new laptops, you don't have the key on the BIOS. Another thing is the serial numbers. And I spoke with a guy which is doing only BIOS and stuff, and he said, sorry, some apps and some games, you need a serial number on the BIOS. And I believe him. Probably he's right. He knows what he's doing. But I never fixed a serial number on the BIOS and never had issues. So probably they are problems, they can appear, but I'm waiting, till the moment I have this kind of problem so I can do a video and show you, okay, that's why you need the serial number. I'm happy I helped the customer. I'm gonna stop here, yeah. One more time, if you need a BIOS, just go on our Discord. You have the website. On the website you have a big button called Discord. You press Discord and you can use like web Discord or install the Discord app and use it like a standalone app. Cool? Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe if you like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye. Hey, if you find my content being helpful, don't forget you can support this channel by pressing the join button, and you can get instantly access to our members only cool collection and Discord private channels for support with your repairs. Also, you can have a look on our United Kingdom eBay, where you can find some cool and unique products, United States eBay store, or our Patreon page. Thank you.